You ready? I'm ready. Let's do it. It's still sealed. I need like a tarp or something. Ooh. Oh yeah. Let's see what's in here. Anything? No. What's up, guys? It's Chris from Tiny Industrial, and this is the new Incinolet that I've gotten from the friendly folks at Incinolet. And we are going to be unboxing it. So if you ever wondered, what do you get when you buy one of these things? You're about to find out. This house I started building in 2013, so roughly 10 years ago. I had bought myself an Incinolet toilet. This toilet in this box is meant to be a replacement for that toilet. I did a video on the Incinolet toilet. It has over 200,000 views on it. My daughter features in that video. It's
ashes.
Probably part of the reason that's so popular, because she's awesome. Check it out up here. I'll throw a link up into the corner of the screen for you. 95 pounds is what a box containing an Incinolet weighs. Fucking open it. Right. Alright, let's see what we got here. We got styrofoam thing. Doesn't look very environmentally friendly, but you know, contours of the toilet. Ooh, and here it is. So let me pull this out first. These are the liners. So you get a box of liners. Oh yeah, there's a good amount in here. I think this might be 100 or 200 bowl liners. So they are here. It comes with that. That's nice. That'll keep you going for quite a while. Yeah, it's basically just the toilet in here. The instructions. So I've got the 120 volt model. They do have a 240 volt model, which runs I'd say a more aggressive burn cycle. There's a courtesy Allen wrench. Use this to remove the blower wheel for cleaning every 90 days. Fine. We've got a warranty, manufacturer warranty for a period of 25 months after shipment. So basically an instruction manual. And a section for notes if you want to take some notes. 120 volt version has a 20 amp plug. Power cord is 4 feet long. I like to keep instructions around for a little while. But let's get this toilet out of here and see what we're dealing with. So one thing that I see here, there appears to be a sticker that's gone over a prior sticker. You can kind of see through it. It says Incinolet back there, Incinolet here. And there's the press after each use button. This button is basically what flushes the toilet and starts the burn cycle. All right, let's try to get it out of this. It's shipping condom. Oh, that's nice. Brand new toilet. Really nice white powder coating on here. This is a very heavy toilet seat, some kind of composite or even wood. Very nice. Down here, this foot pedal is your foot pedal to flush the toilet. The way that this works is there's a burn chamber in here. So you have a cover, comes off, and there is a tab. Now I know all this from already having an Incinolet, but you unleash that tab and you bring out this thing. Now this is about as clean as it's ever going to get. Once you run the burns and stuff in here, this will obviously darken down, and this is where the
ashes
collected. Now there's an inner and an outer. So this is an inner, is basically just a stainless steel bowl, you know, pretty heavyweight. And then there's an outer, which has like it's like a double wall. So you have this piece, which would be easily replaceable, and then you have It's sitting inside of here with a double wall, with a gap, with, you know, an exterior wall. So all the heat is contained in this particular chamber, and the exterior, I get these questions all the time, the exterior stays cool to the touch basically. As this is burning, there's a heating element which heats everything up in here. And as this is burning, it is venting to the outside, so it's extracting the smoke and, you know, whatever happens with the combustion, and venting that to the outside. Let me show you the back of this thing. Here's the vent. You can see, I think I showed it to you before. There's a fan in there that rotates when you start the burn process, heats up, the fan spins up, and you have your power cord here. Now that is a 20 amp connector. And the reason you know that is by the one sideways prong and one the way that we're used to seeing it. That sideways is indicative of a different type of outlet, a dedicated 20 amp outlet. And again, all really nice, very heavy weight. All right, and thus concludes the unboxing of the Incinolet. We basically just have the Incinolet, a box of liners, and that's it. That's what you get. So you're gonna need to go buy yourself a 20 amp outlet. But if this has been helpful to you, great. Please drop a like, please drop a comment. Tell me what you think of this thing. And we're gonna, in the next video, which I'll link to at the end of this video, show you how easy it is to install one of these things. Cool, bye.
Ashes.